Hello everyone, welcome to Wednesday. Market still going sideways, so I'm going to take this point in time to talk about the 10 different stock market pieces that are in our portfolios. You may not own all of these, depends on which model you're in, but you might still find it interesting to see what we're looking at. The first piece is the S&P 500. We've had that for a really long period of time, very popular index worldwide. And then we've overweighted pieces of the S&P 500. We've also bought an investment that buys the healthcare stocks out of the S&P 500, pharmaceuticals, different equipment and suppliers, biotech, those types of things. And then we also overweighted consumer staples, which is food and beverages and household products. We have another piece that buys North American software companies, interactive media, home entertainment, for example, which is very popular right now. We have one other piece here that is working on US technology companies that are working on breakthroughs, robotics, artificial intelligence, cloud storage, and financial technology, for example. We have another part that works on genomics and immunology. And genomics is the doctor can tailor a program around somebody's DNA. And immunology is using your own, immune system to fight cancer and other diseases. We have a piece that is focused on cybersecurity, fighting hackers and cybercrime, which is a big deal right now. We have a really neat piece of a momentum where they're looking at 3 months and 6 months, and they're looking for stocks that are showing good momentum, good motion upward, yet still have low volatility over the last 3 years. And then, of course, we own Apple, the number one company in America for free cash flow. And then, of course, Microsoft, which is the number 3 company in America for free cash flow. So I'm really excited about these 10 pieces. I think we're well positioned for what might come at us here. And I want to really thank you very much for watching today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.